Yeah, that's not bad at all. You have it, guys. That is essentially going to be my setup for this year. I am going to have, eventually my quiver, my calls, my bag, everything hanging from the hitch strap. But yeah, that's going to be the setup. Yeah, there you have it. So, it'll be something like this. Not too bad. It is super comfortable. Let's try this knee cushion. Oh yeah, it's not bad at all. I think I do have to adjust. I'm gonna adjust this more higher. There's a lot of tension on my back right now, but definitely, man, this is comfortable. It's a nice setup.